Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can get back into your personal TikTok account. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write comments after watching this video. So, let's get down to our topic. And first of all, open up the TikTok app. Next, you'll need to go to your account. In the top right corner, click on those three bars to go to the menu. Here, select Settings. Next, tap Account. And here you'll see Switch to Personal Account. Since I have my account is currently personal, I'm prompted to switch to Business Account, but you'll probably have switched to Personal Account here. And then you can click on that, then confirm your action and you'll be instantly switched to your personal TikTok account. That's the very simple way, friends, you can switch to a personal TikTok account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.